ABC Educational Channel. Hello everyone. Today let's learn about months and dates, vocabulary and ordinal numbers. The 12 months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
The date and ordinal numbers. There are usually 31 days in a month. To indicate them in the calendar, it is necessary to use ordinal numbers. For example,
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh,
8th,
ninth,
10th,
11th,
12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th,
20th,
21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
How can I indicate a date in English?
first say the month and then say the ordinal number of the day. For example, when is Valentine's Day? It's on February 14th. Now, let's have our conversation. Please listen.
What's today?
It's Wednesday, January 1st. It's New Year's Day.
What do you usually do on this day?
I usually give food to my neighbors. What was yesterday?
It was Thursday, August 10th.
What did you do?
I bought some cookies and chocolates.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.